Yo! Listen, man's with a man them today. We're doing hide and seek inside Ikea. I'm the real truth, fam. No, wait,
man, you know.
Listen, I'm gonna give you, man, 2 minutes to hide. Hey, wait. Not yet, bro. Man's gonna give the man them 2 minutes to hide in Ikea. And I'm gonna run them down. I want to fuck you. Hey! Say that, you man, run it. Django, go hide. I'm gonna give you, man, 2 minutes. Say that, I'm gonna wait out here, innit? Look at you, see that? Let me get the timer out. Let me get the stopwatch. Say nothing, look, 2 minutes started. Say nothing.
I can't lie, this IKEA steady store, bare places, bare options. What makes sense, fam? I don't know where to hide.
Man, I'm not creative enough to find spots like M Trizzle. Look at this, over here in the corner. Can never find me. Hey, look at this spot. You gotta get out of it.
See that. I'm just gonna tweet right now. Look at me.
Yeah, I can't lie, I think we're good, you know. Oh, this big here, that's man. Hopefully, bro, don't come out of nowhere, fam.
What am I gonna do while waiting for them, man, for 2 minutes, fam? Let me put down the camera, hold on. Let me put down the camera. Damn, I got 50 seconds. Then man better hurry up, fam. As soon as the timer goes off, yeah, I'm in there.
Just here hiding. On my ones.
Bust down, Tatiana.
And she got black. 20 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer done. What are you saying, boss? You good? Yeah, that's good. Let me hit my DTB darts before I fly in. Let me go run it up, fam. Let me go catch them. Let's go. Oh, hey, boss at the front here. Hey, wait, hold on. What the fuck is going on with my phone? I don't know, but look, timer's done. Ikea shuts in 30 minutes. And boss is looking at me all crazy, fam. Look at him right there. But you know what, yeah? If one of the man them just hit down here, you know, you man have won, innit? You man have won. I'm gonna have to check everywhere. Oh, this is gonna be long.
Teach me how to duck.
Oh, this is gonna be long. Do you know what? Imagine one of the man them just went in one of these wardrobes early doors. Alright, cool, no one's in here. Alright, yeah, no one's defo in here. But I'm checking all these fucking little wardrobes and shit. You know where one of the man them's at? Bro, hey, yo, it's curtains here, you know? I was gonna say that would have been a good spot.
Still here. 10 minutes later. What are A2's doing?
Oh my god, bro. It's Perry's whole family, bruv. Are you dumb? Perry's not so unique. There's bare Perry's about, man. Plenty Perry's in the sea. What?
It's boy better than mine, I don't like it's boy, but it's not better than mine.
Oh, this is gonna be so hard, you know. This shop is massive. Oh, I have to check like all these little spots and that, fam. Behind the curtains and shit. Oh, bro, this is gonna be hard. This shop is massive. This is gonna be hard. Bro, I'm checking. No one in the bathroom, no. See mums! Right here, you can hear me though. I was like, who's it?
I was speaking. My head was like, no, I'm moving.
Bro, I'm so happy. Bro, I'm so happy I got someone. Bro, I was thinking I ain't gonna find someone time. Sparks his hand in the bathroom, I just came in, then he tried to run down here. Saying that I know my team now, saying that. Well, you said I should be quiet, yeah. And wait, should I check under the beds and that? Yeah. Oh wait, you can't even check under here. I was checking all the wardrobes and that. But you say you know where people are?
One person is.
Are they close by? Just tell me if they're close.
Oh, they're down there. This is perfect, I can't lie. Any problems, We'll just do the dash in quickly, fam. Let me show you where I'm at right now. Let me show you where I'm at. Boom. That's where we just came in from, innit? We came in from there. Anything goes wrong, you can run out this way, innit?
Oh, bro, I'm checking every. He was.
He just dashed.
He just where? He's in the tent. He's in the tent.
He just dashed, bro.
Where's he go? Where did he go? Where did? Excuse me, did you see someone run through here? Hey, look at him! Yeah, he's not doing this.
Cut out. Man had to cut out quick.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where did he go? Bro, where did he go? Ain't no way he got away from you. Where did he go? Yeah, did you see someone run through here? Ah, no, no. Where did he go? All these little spots. Someone in the bunk bed? No one's in here. We're in the kids. Imagine someone's in here. Hey, where did this Sparks guy go?
Bro, scared me for the way bro just bought you now. This is a bad ass spot.
We're in the gaming section. I need to start checking more of these spots. I feel like I've missed bears. And the Sparks guy, I feel like... Bro, where the fuck are these? Yo. Hey, bro. Oh, I'm about to be in the wardrobe section. Do I have to really check every wardrobe? If one of the mandems in a wardrobe, yeah? If one of the mandems in a wardrobe, he won. I ain't got time to check every wardrobe. Oh, there's a bed section. Imagine one of the mandem are in a bed or something. Nah, you can't fit under none of these beds, I'll be real. Oh, hey, this is gonna be so hard. Oh, bro, where the... I'm not gonna lie, I would have got in this bed right here. Is there someone down the side here? And no one's down here. If someone's under a bed, they won. I'm not checking under the beds. If you're under a bed, you've won. All I'm saying is I've caught Sparks in it, so at least I'm not going home empty-handed. Someone in here? No one in here. Bro, these men have done a good job. I need to check all these little bedrooms and... Someone in this wardrobe? No one in the wardrobe? Someone around? No, no. Nope. Bro. Nah, where the fuck have these men? Bro. Oh. Someone behind here? Oh, it's a wall. It's a wall.
But I could 100%, like, mark my words, I could win this thing. Like, I could win this every single time if I wanted to. You know what I should do? I should go fucking find Django and fucking snake him out where he is. Yeah? If you guys saw that fucking episode, cut to the scene, now you know why.
Someone under the cot? No. Oh, no. This is gonna be dreadful. Is someone under here? No one under there. I'm gonna check behind these curtains. These curtains and that. No one behind the curtains. Oh, I dropped something. Charge it. Oh, now, oh. Is someone under here? No one's under the bed. What about the wardrobe? No one's in that side. Oh, that would have been a good little spot. I would have hid there. Anyone in this bathroom? No one in the bathroom. Oh, Sparks, no. Have you seen someone?
Yeah,
How many?
I've been with Django.
You've been with Django?
But he's gone now.
Where? No, you're a traitor, bro.
Bro,
So
I'm supposed to catch him as well.
What do you mean? You're on my team.
Oh, I thought Manchester City.
Wait, did you see A2 after you cut out?
No. Can't lie now.
Bro, I've searched everywhere, bro.
His face is huge, bro.
Oh, really? She's looking at, she knows there's someone here. There's someone here. There's someone here. Don't lie. Don't lie. Who's here? No one's here. No one's here.
Brother, we ain't gonna fight. I'm in this back here, innit? If he comes around, he comes back around, innit? We just saw him still, bro. Just went past.
Someone's behind here. No one's at the bakery. Bro, you gotta help me, bro. Hey, he's there. Yeah, man. I've never seen someone so happy to get caught. I got you. I got Django.
We've already got complaints. Yeah, but don't put the camera.
So yeah, man, video done. Psych! We gotta get the rest of the man there.
See, one day, man, I want a wife and kids. Have a nice little house like this, you know what I'm saying? Chill with the kids, the wife, the missus, you know what I'm saying? Come back after a half day of work. Oh, look, that's a studio. Nah, I got clickbait, this is not a studio, fam. I thought this was a studio, fam.
Nah, bro, I think security got there, man, bro. I can't lie to you. I saw somebody with an orange vest. I just cut out, man.
Bro, look what I found, fam. Bro, I was hiding over there behind a fucking curtain. And I saw them walk past me, fam.
I wasn't there, bro. And then I heard sparks there, bro. So I had to just cut out and ran.
Where's the rest of them, bro?
Bro, I can't like M3's gone, bro. M3's gone.
Bro, I was checking, bro. Man, I was checking on the bed.
I've not seen M3.
You have not seen M3?
M3's one of the best at this thing, you know.
Bro, I checked most of the wardrobes. I was checking on the beds. I can't lie, spots is shit, fam. Bro, I caught him lacking in the bathroom, bro. I caught him lacking. Security on us, guys.
Hi,
No one's here. Anyone behind the chair? Bro, no one's here. Come. Yeah? Oh, you got right to a dead end, nigga. Okay. Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Oh my god, I thought this was gonna be impossible. I got 3 of them. And do you know what's crazy, yeah? I saw A2 as well. He was right next to us. But I couldn't get him, bro. Yeah, bro. I lost him.
I said the last man, you know.
The winner.
Oh! Oh, say that. Do you know what? Say that. Say that, and I can't lie. Yeah, I can't lie. Say that, A2. Say that.
You know you walk past me, you two walk past me.
Say that.
Yeah, but I was hiding behind a curtain. I saw you guys just walking.
Bro, I was trying to check every wardrobe, every
you
bed.
did not check. I was looking. You know what's so funny? The curtain was so chubby. Like, I was sitting behind it. I'm looking at myself thinking, there's no way like it's not going out like this.
First place, best hider, and on first place out of the building.
Listen, that was the end of the hide and seek. Obviously, A2, my brother, come true. But bro, you was victorious in this one. Can't lie. Bro, look at my fit, bro. Sweating, bro. Sweating. I can't lie. Security were on us, bro.
Yeah, fuck them niggas.
From where we walked in, but listen, successful hide and seek. We're gonna run it up somewhere else in the next episode. And yeah, man, that was hide and seek. Gonna run in the Ikea. No.